Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I have a very special device today that I want to introduce to you, and this is an introduction video. It will pretty much be an unveiling of the product that was sent to me for review by Hong of Spacetouch company. This is a high-tech company for anti-aging. I guess that's the best way to put it. And it came to me in this bag, and I have not opened it. I've had it a couple of weeks here, and I have not had a chance to get to it, but we are going to get to it today. I want to introduce it to you. I want to thank you, Hong, for sending this out to me and giving me an opportunity to try this out and to share it with my viewers. Now guys, this is what it comes in. This is the Eyetech, and I requested, he gave me several options and I could choose from, and I chose the product that they had that's for the eyes. And I want to tell you all about this product, and I want to unbox it for you. We're going to see it together for the first time, and they've got it packaged up really good, which, you know, very valuable product here, and it's going to be a great service. And this is what it looks like on the outside without the packaging glaring off of there. And then it is a sleeve, I think, that I can slide this out. And I've got the sleeve off, and then we've got the logo there. And like I said, this is Eyetech, but the name of the company is Spacetouch. And again, we have more of the same. They got nice packaging. This is my information sheet. This is going to tell me all about it, and I'm going to have my instructions on how to use this device. And this is what the device looks like inside the box. And inside the box, I've got that out. These are our eye patches, and you will see there's a mirror on there. But these are our eye patches. They've got them marked left and right, so we'll know which way to go with it. And on inside here we have, I'm pretty sure we're going to have like a USB port. They've got it packaged up really, really nice. We've got a little case, and it's got something in there. I don't know what it is yet, so we're just now getting into this. And then they've got this little box, and let's see what this is. Okay, it's our USB port. So we've got all the items that we need, and I'm not sure what's in here yet. In here we've got extra eye patches. I'll be needing these for the use of this high-tech, Spacetech, Eyetech machine. So, okay, so that's what we have so far, and I want to tell you a little bit about it. And I am going to read this from their site so that I don't leave anything out, so bear with me. I want you to know what these are. These are introducing the latest advanced in under-eye treatment. Eyetech makes getting results easier by combining the most effective under-eye treatments used by doctors and skincare professionals in one simple device. Eyetech is the first wireless and hands-free device for the under eyes. Eyetech provides you with consistent results while comforting the treated area. Designed by leading plastic surgeons and dermatologists to treat one of the most noticeable areas on our face, the space below our eyes. This is one of the first places wrinkles appear and one of the hardest to treat. Eyetech has vibrational pulses to activate the area under the eye to work in combination with LED light. The features are wireless and hands-free. It's a combination of vibration and LED technology compacted in one small device. Easy to carry and safe for traveling, comes with a small case and charges for the devices, and easy to use removable silicone pads to keep your device clean and easy to apply on the skin. So that kind of tells us a little bit of information there about it. And this product is totally new to me. I have never I'd never actually heard of this product until Hong reached out to me and had requested and asked if I would show it on my channel and give a review. And of course, I'm showing it to you now, but I will use these and I will come back with an updated results of how they worked and how I liked it. I'm trying to get them out of the case here. There, just flip it over. So I was going to see, I think here we just turn on a light. Yeah, there we go. So there we have the lights that would come on. And this here, just to give you a little bit more detail, this is the left side and it clearly marks it as left. And the red lights are the LED lights. And I would be setting this on my left side. So when I would have this on, which I'm not going to put it on right now because I don't have the silicone pads on there, but it would set right on top of my eye, and I'm sure that silicone pad's going to help hold it on there. And then after I read instructions, it'll tell me how long I should keep it up there, and it'll also tell me how close I should get. But I want you to know I have used LED light. Oh, okay, now it's pulsating. So I can lay that up there and it can just be pulsating my eye. So you hit different ones. Now it's doing both. It's pulsating and the light. And then the fourth click is just light. And then you hold it down for a few more seconds and it turns it off. So I have the left and right. And what I was telling you about the LED light, I have used, and I do use LED light on my face. And it works wonderfully, and it has made remarkable improvement of my skin as far as brightening and anti-wrinkling. So I feel like this product will work very specific, of course, under my eyes and do a very, very good job. And although I haven't used it, this particular product, I can tell you that LED light rejuvenates your skin, it brightens it, it helps reduce wrinkles, it also helps produce collagen, which I guess it stimulates the cells in order to do that, to plump up your skin a little bit. So there's a lot that can be said and can be done with LED light, and then the vibrations, I guess, just help stimulate the cells, and or maybe even if you've got some type of serum or creams that you're using, will help them absorb better. And this here is going to work specifically on my eyes. So I would like to thank Hong for reaching out to me and sending me free for review this Eyetech LED vibration lights that I'm looking forward to using on my eyes, under my eyes, and being specific with that. And I think it's just great. It's got wonderful packaging. And again, it does have an information. It's going to give me complete instructions in English. So I'll be able to understand everything that I need to understand. And it'll tell me all that I need to know on using this product. So I'll be learning about this. This is the month of Christmas, okay? So I want to give myself a little bit of time to come back and tell you guys about this product. And it'll probably be in January because we have a lot going on with Christmas going on. Of course, everybody does. And I will get back with you with a result. I'll do a before and after. And that way you can see how it's worked for me. And I can let you know what I thought about it too, and then how the results were in that first month, or in the first 4 weeks. I'll probably do a little 4-week test is what I'll do, and that'll be my first review on it. And I'll come back, of course, and do a video for you guys. And I may even come back with it actually on my eyes, do a video featuring how it, not only how it worked, but how it works, and actually show you guys. So there'll be another video, a follow-up video for sure on this product. I'm very excited to try this out. And again, I thank you, Hong, for sending this out to me for review. And I look forward to using it. And it is called an advanced robotic under eye device. Dark circles, fine lines, wrinkles, and puffiness. And I have a little bit of all of that from time to time. Of course, fine lines and wrinkles, they're definitely trying to creep up on me, so we want those gone. I did ask him if they had something for the lip. Oh, I so wish there was something that I could magically do to have my lines above my lips go away, but maybe they'll come out with a lip, I don't know, maybe it would be called Lip Tech. I don't know. Hey, Hong, if you're watching this, why don't you ask your guys about that? I'd be very interested in that. As for today and Eyetech, if you have any questions, of course, leave me a comment. And if you got comments on what you think about this product, let me know. I'll have the details of this company with their website and everything in the description so that you can check it out and find out more about this Spacetouch Eyetech product device. So as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.